there was a first year graduate student reading room. So, and it was at that time, you know, you have reserved books. There's no computers or anything. You can't download anything. You have to share the books that are assigned, and they're put on the wall like that. And you sit in the reading room and you read them. And then the next student comes and he reads them. So anyway, I sit down to read, and a guy comes over to me, another student, and he says, "You're sitting in my chair." So I'm from Brooklyn, give me a break. I turn around and I say, "I don't see your initials carved in this chair." I said to him. He said, "Well, I want you out of that chair. That's my chair. That's where I sit." So I said, "Okay." I said, "I'll get up now." I said, "But tomorrow I'm going to bring my husband here, and I want you to say that to me while he's standing here. And see if you want to say it when my husband's here." Of course, I could have decked him myself, but I figured he wouldn't understand that. So I said, "No, tomorrow."